Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about whether or not I stopped being a lawyer to travel the world. The answer is yes and no. For those of you who don't know my background, graduated from law school in 2012. I can do another video on why I went to law school and the type of law that I've done. But the short of it is, graduated in 2012, went to law school to be a public defender. I've had some district and superior court cases, of course, rape, robbery, murder, those things. I've had family court cases, juvenile cases. Of course, those are the kitty criminals. And then I've also had some post-conviction defender work where all of my clients were on death row. Most of them still there. For 3 months, I did not work at all while I was in Asia. Contrary to what I did, or in comparison to to how I was in Colombia. In Colombia, I wasn't able to work as a litigator or in the same capacity, but I was able to do doc review. I'm sure I could have done like legal consultant, being a legal analyst, a contract analyst, blah, blah, blah. But I didn't. Doc review is like mindless work, and it can be tedious, but it's easy money for an attorney, or paralegal. I think paralegals can do doc review as well. So that's what I did for the time that I spent in Colombia. In Asia, I didn't do anything. I literally did not work at all the entire 3 months, and I loved it. Coming back to the States for a couple of months to wrap things up, the first thing I did was pick up cases at family court. For me, it's the best way for me to stay busy, stay active, and kind of scratch that legal itch, if you will. I 1000% love being a lawyer. I couldn't see myself doing anything but advocating for people. And yeah, I'm telling you, I love an opportunity to fight some injustice and right wrongs and argue and advocate. It just does something to me. So yes and no. While I'm here, I'm going to do cases, family court cases, and a lot of them are juvenile dependency. A lot of them are adoption cases. And it gives me exactly what I need. I still have to go to court. I still get to pick and choose the cases that I want, et cetera, et cetera. So yes and no. When I'm here, I don't mind working in my capacity, because I do pay for the legal degree that I have. So I guess I should use it. I don't know. Sometimes I'm like, ew, if I could do it all over, would I do it again? Yeah, maybe I'll make a video about that. Could I have achieved the same happiness with an LLM, a master's of law, versus my JD? I don't know. But being a lawyer has always been something that I knew I would be. It's something that I'm passionate about. It's something that when I do it, I don't feel like working. I don't feel like it's work. And I went to law school, obviously, to be poor, because I wanted to be I went to be poor, y'all. Who does that? Who goes to law school to be poor? Me. I went to law school to be poor. I went to law school with the goal of being a public defender. For me, I have always defended people who can't defend themselves. I like arguing. Most of the time I'm right. Case closed, so, but I wanted to do it for people who couldn't afford attorneys. And I always felt like in the end, the money would come. And it did. It came in a different way, but I still was defending and advocating people who couldn't defend themselves. So I'll make a video about that. But the money did come in a different way, which has allowed me to not work and tap into being a ghost investor on a couple of properties, flipping houses. It all kind of came full circle for me. So yeah, yes and no. I put it down to, I put the legal hat down temporarily. And I love the fact that I can just pick it up when I need to. I love the fact that I have built a rapport with people, family court, district superior court, where I can just say, hey guys, I'm back. are there any cases that need help? And judge is like, sure, come on in, or whomever's like, come on in, or another attorney's like, sure, I need help on these cases. I love that I'm able to do that, because a lot of people don't, they don't have that same rapport, and they can't just pick cases up when they want to. I can. So I put it down when I left for Asia. I picked it back up when I came back. I'm here for a couple of months, so I'm gonna keep it up, so that when I go to Colombia in June, July, I don't have to do anything again. Like, I don't think I'm really willing to work again. Like, I enjoyed the 3 months of not working. It was kind of freeing and liberating, and just like, ooh, I could sleep all day or watch TV all day or walk around. All people say, what you do? Walk around, honey. Walk around everywhere. Just walk. I don't have to work. And I love that feeling that I have for 3 months. So it might be something else that I do when I get back to Colombia this time. But that's answers that question. Did I put down my law degree for my passport? Yes and no. So if you guys have any questions about just law school and is it worth it, or just whatever, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.